Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is I, Brandon, back again with Critical Failure, and there's going to be a little bit of an update type of thing. Why is this thing not focusing? There it is. Two things before we get into the actual content. First off, I'm going to be talking with, I think his name is Johnny, with the Moth Company. I just put something out on my Instagram for you guys. Go check that out. We will be posting more on our Instagram here soon. So go check out the Moth Company if you are a subscriber of mine, but not a subscriber of theirs. They do have some pretty cool content. We are subscribed to them ourselves, and so that's got anything. Second of all, I might be disappearing from the channel in the next few months. For a while, depending on how things go with the Navy. I am talking to the Navy about trying to go in reserves. It just kind of depends on everything. Military is something that I've always wanted to do, so I just wanted to let you guys have a heads up in case I end up just coming in, not doing a video for a week straight or something, or if I just magically disappear, which I doubt. I'll probably say something about it before I go. Hopefully Harley and Ed will have it until I come back. I would hope so. So that is what's happening. But currently, just kind of fix up my the thumbnail. I didn't realize a carrion crawler updated or uploaded yesterday. I'm actually very genuinely surprised. It was having a whole bunch of issues with at least the internet at where I'm at was just really fucking up. I don't know fucking what was wrong. It refused to upload the carrion crawler the first time because it was supposed to be a double upload that day, and it didn't, so I restarted it yesterday, and it finally uploaded without me knowing. I was looking for it. I don't know when it uploaded, but apparently Harley saw it. My mic is way over there, so you probably heard me very at a distance. And here's Harley. So, as I was saying, with the Navy, let me scoot over for you. You and Ed will probably be helping that if I do end up joining the Navy. So you'll have to be doing mostly uploading if Ed doesn't. So okay. I'm going to definitely be teaching you further and further, expecting you to do a little bit more videos and stuff like that. That way you know, and it's actual routine by the time I come back. So that's if that works. So that way I come back and the community is still there. I would still like, Kyler and Undead King, you guys to be there. It would be really cool. I don't want you guys to just disappear because we haven't uploaded, at that time. So that's just something I wanted to say. I wanted to show some appreciation for you guys, and I'm going to stop fucking clapping because that's super fucking loud next to my mic. I want to put that in between us. So yeah, I'm actually going to give this to her. We're doing another creature. It's a centaur. I'm going to write the encounters at my friend's house, and there's going to be a single upload today. I got to do a lot of stuff today. I'm hoping to write the encounters at his house and then possibly upload again late tonight. So 1 to 2 when no one's on the internet. That's what I'm going to try and do. So hopefully that'll work. But I'm going to give you the stuff to read for the centaur. Note this is before it was a player race in, I believe, Guildmaster's Guide to Ravnica, so take it as you may. I actually have to do some behind-the-scenes stuff for the tags and the description on the carrion crawler, as you can see on my thing, so I gotta do that. So you can go ahead and start. I'm going to do this.
The Centaur. Reclusive wanderers and omen readers of the wild, centaurs avoid conflict but fight fiercely when pressed. They roam the vast wilderness, keeping far from borders, laws, and the company of other creatures. Wilderness nomads. Centaur tribes range across lands with mild to hot climates, where a centaur requires only light furs or oiled skins to deal with inclement weather. They are hunter-gatherers and rarely build shelters or even use tents. Centaur migrations span continents and take decades to repeat, so that a centaur tribe may not. Wait, I just completely lost my place. So that a centaur tribe might not retreat. That one.
Retreat. Okay. Retread. The same path.
Okay. The same path for generations. These long-ranging patterns can lead to conflict when centaurs, Jesus fucking Christ.
So is the Okay, I guess a plural for centaur is still centaur. I was gonna say call it centauri, but centaur is just centaur. Okay.
Can lead to conflict when centaurs encounter settlements of other creatures built along their traditional routes. Oh my god. Dyslexia is strong with this. Reluctant settlers. A centaur that can't keep pace with the rest of its tribe is left behind.
Oh shit, I didn't know that. Are they a neutral? Neutral, good. Yeah.
Some such centaurs vanish into the wilderness and are never seen again. Those that can bear the loss of their tribe might take up residence among other races. Frontier settlements value the nature knowledge of their centaur residents. Many such communities owe their survival to the insight and acumen.
Mm-hmm. Acumen. I don't. Acumen probably sounds a lot. I don't know. That's actually a word I do not understand. So that's a very good question.
But that word of a centaur.
Acumen of a centaur. Insight acumen. Probably acumen. It sounds better as acumen.
My head is still really wish-washy right now. Despite their reclusive nature, centaurs tread with elves and with the caravans of other benevolent humanoids they meet during their wanderings. A trader might save the life of a wounded or an elderly centaur unfit for long travel, escorting it to a settlement where it can peacefully live out the rest of its days. Centaur, large monstrosity, neutral good, armor class 12, hit points 45, 60, 10 plus 12, speed 50 feet, strength 18 plus 4, dexterity 14 plus 2, constitution 14 plus 2, intelligence 9 minus 1, wisdom 13 plus 1, and charisma 11 plus 0. Skills, athletics plus 6, perception plus 3, survival plus 3, senses, passive perception 13, languages, Elvish, Sylvan.
Yeah, Sylvan.
Challenge 2 for 50 XP. Charge. If the centaur moves at least 30 feet straight forward, or straight toward a target, and then hits it with a pike attack on the same turn, the target takes an extra 10 3d6 piercing damage. Multi-attack. The centaur makes 2 attacks, one with its pike and one with its hooves, or 2 with its longbow. Pike, melee weapon attack, plus 6 to hit, reach 10 feet, 1 target. Hit 9, 1d10 plus 4 piercing damage. Hooves, melee weapon attack, plus 6 to hit, reach 5 feet, 1 target. Hit 11, 2d6 plus 4 bludgeoning damage. Longbow, ranged weapon attack, plus 4 to hit, range 150 to 600 feet, 1 target, hit 6, 1d8 plus 2 piercing damage.
Nice. I was about to start watching the Carrion Crawler. I don't know why the fuck I didn't. But anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. That is the Centaur. Please leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below what you would like to see. Expect a video coming eventually with the Moth Company and ourselves. We're collaborating on a video, which is absolutely fucking cool. I think that's really cool. Thank you. I know Ed is excited. I would like Ed to be there for when we do the video, but it is based on his work schedule, and if I start work at that time, my work schedule. So it kind of depends on everything. So I would like to thank you guys yet again for being amazing ass subscribers. And shit, I completely forgot about the miniatures. We got them ordered. So thank you guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.